All right, this is 2017 Leaf Ultimate Draft Football. Doing a one box break. 2 random teams per spot. There's 5 autos per box. And we're doing that one box break. So everybody that's in on the break gets 2 random teams per spot. And everybody that's in on the break is over here, starting from Austin S down to Jerry D. Let's copy all those names and bring it over to random.org. We'll paste you guys in there twice. You get 2 teams per spot, and as always, we go 9 times on that random. Good luck, everybody. All right, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final time. Good luck, guys. 9. Brad P up top, and Coronation Mo down bottom. Let's bring it into our football spreadsheet. So we got the Cardinals down to Redskins. And as always with these boxes that only have a few cards in them, I do give you guys time to make trades, or if you guys want to make any trades or field any offers for your teams, that's not a problem. I'll give you a minute or so to do that. And once again, man, thank you everybody for getting in on this and filling it. Yeah, the Leaf stuff's been nice for sure. So these are your teams for the 2017 Leaf Draft Football. Like I said, I'll give you guys a minute or two if you want to make some trades. I don't see anything yet. All right, well, if not, then I guess we'll get right into it, man. Thanks again, everybody, for filling this one. Much appreciated. 2017 Leaf Ultimate Draft Football. I said last call if anybody wants to make any trades. Otherwise, we'll get right into it. All right, here we go, guys. 2017 Ultimate Leaf Draft Football. 5 autos per box. Good luck, everybody. There it goes. Sorry about that. All right, let's do it. Good luck, guys. Five autos. Good luck. All right, first up. This one's going out to the New York Giants. These are all on card, by the way, so that's nice. Evan Ingram. Going out to the New York Giants. New York. And that is Jerry D. Evan Ingram. Tight end for the Giants. Very nice. And next up, oh, there we go. How about this guy? Number 20 out of 25. Boom. Kareem Hunt. Very nice. Rookie autograph on card. 20 of 25. And that one's going out to the Chiefs and Jerry D. Jerry D hitting another one. This one is 20 of 25. Very nice, man. Kareem Hunt, Kansas City Chiefs. Very nice, man. Number 25. All right, number 3. Who's it going to be? Tankersley, 21 of 25. Tankersley. Let me double check. I think in Dolphins, but yeah. All right, so that one's going out to the Miami Dolphins. Cordrea Tankersley went out to Miami. That one is Keith B. Keith B. That's number 21 out of 25 for the Dolphins. Tankersley, a rookie auto. Very nice. And next up, another good one. Wow, this was a great box. Because there's another good one behind this one. All right, this one's going out to the Cincinnati Bengals. How about Joe Mixon? Bengals rookie Keith B. hitting another one. So back-to-back hits for Keith B. Joe Mixon on card rookie auto. Cincinnati Bengals. And Troy, very nice. And then Troy's trade has the next one. I don't even think he's in the room right now. Very nice. 5th and final card. How about number 6 out of 10? How about a gold Christian McCaffrey on card rookie auto for the Panthers? Troy's trade. Congrats, brother. That was a monster box right there. Kareem Hunt, McCaffrey, a Mixon, Tankersley, and the first one was Evan Ingram. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad set of 5 autos right there. Christian McCaffrey, once again, going out to Troy's trade for the Panthers. 6 out of 10. Very nice, man. Congrats on that. Very nice, man. That is the gold Leaf rookie number 210. Very nice, man. All right, congrats again, guys. Thank you all for getting in on that one. Appreciate it. Bambino, we are out. All right, guys. So, yep. Hopefully that mic was the mic off the whole time. That's ridiculous if it was. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, jeez. Somebody let me know in the chat, man. Was that mic off the whole time? My bad. Oh, jeez. All right. So you guys couldn't hear my excitement. Yeah, good box though. Yep, 6 out of 10. Christian McCaffrey. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize the mic was off. Christian McCaffrey, 6 out of 10. Very nice. Kareem Hunt, 20 of 25. Very nice. Tankersley, that was for the Dolphins. Out of 25. Joe Mixon, rookie for the Bengals. Another nice one. And Evan Ingram for the Giants. So, just in case you guys didn't know which teams those were for. So, yeah, I don't know. I must have clicked the thing off on accident. I apologize. All right, so I'm just going to put these aside for shipping. They're obviously already in top loaders. Okay. All right, so yeah, they're obviously up in top loaders already. I'm just going to print out the spreadsheet. I only need 1 minute here, so let's do it to it, guys. Select basketballs on deck. All right, cool. So it wasn't off for the whole break. Awesome. Thanks, guys.